Are you going through life feeling completely detached from your outside world, as if you're living in a constant dizzying state where memory lapses and concentration issues are becoming a part of your everyday life? You're far from alone, trust me. Over the years, I've worked with thousands of DPDR sufferers who've been just where you are right now, and have come out on the other side feeling at peace and with it once again. The Depersonalization Recovery Program is a complete step-by-step formula that will give you your life back. In this program, we utilize the power of your intention, imagination, cognitive resources, and courage to move beyond this sensitized state known as DPDR. Through one daily task for the next 6 weeks, you will begin to calm your nervous system, move beyond the traumas from your past, and begin seeing each situation you encounter as being safe at a conscious and unconscious level. So if you're ready to put DPDR behind you for good, if you're ready to end the dizziness that is getting in the way of living your life to the fullest, click the button below and I'll see you on the inside. Bye-bye.